Hello friends, how is everyone? Okay, this is Tech and Fun YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and share this videos as much as you can. And today's topic is business intelligence. So for the freshers and for the beginners who want to learn what is business intelligence and who doesn't know what is this BI and what we does in this. So in this I would like to you know give you a complete end-to-end explanation in this video what is business intelligence. So basically what is business intelligence is, if you see in this diagram, you see source 1, source 2, ETL, target and reporting. So first of all, what is business intelligence? Business intelligence is something which is used for the management of the company, you know, to take wise decisions, to take the decisions for the company which will be benefited in terms of every aspect. Okay, how they take the decisions. See, most of the time, you know, analytics, mo not most of the time, every time, analytics plays a very important and major role. So what does BI is? In BI, what will happen is, you see source 1, source 2. So in this source 1 and source 2, these are the sources which are where the data resides. And what does this source is? This source has only the raw data, the data which we cannot do analysis, we cannot do analytics on that. So this is a raw data. If you see for example, take this as just an example. Okay, this is the raw data. And now if I tell someone, uh, take the list of mails from the sheet. Now what will happen is, here if you come to gender column, you will come here and someone has I got the requirement like for males. They asked me how many number of um, males are there in this company, but I see M and F. So a layman will get confused. How can this could be analyzed? So for this purpose, this this is just an example. Okay, there are many things, many more in real time. You will face many such columns, most of the data where you cannot do analytics. You have to transform the data, basically transform the data from raw data to data which could be easily understandable. So for this purpose, ETL plays a vital role. What is this ETL? Extract, transform and load. So what does extraction does? Extraction will take the data from the source, okay, and transformation will does sorry transformation will do the changes from M to male and F to female. And if suppose you don't need this date, okay, for example you have date as 10/30, but you need the date as October uh, 30 2019. This kind of transformations, there are n number of transformations which you will be facing in the real time, but these two sorts of transformations I have shown you. Okay, and if you see salary column, salary should not be in integer, it should be in decimals. Okay, it should be in decimals. So here you want to change the data type conversion. This is called data type conversions. Okay, this is this this is called as text conversion. This is text conversion. Okay, this is date conversion. So like this, there are many number of transformations that can be done in real time. Okay, uh, apart from this, when you do extraction and transformation, okay, now loading comes into picture. What does loading do? Once the data is ready, in the ETL tool, so basically in the market there are many ETL tools, but if you I think you would have heard something like Informatica. This is the strongest tool that we have in ETL, and there is also a Microsoft SSIS tool. So I'll also show you one example in SSIS how this transformation will be done. And after this extraction and transformation, loading, what it does is it will load the data into the target. This is the target. Once the data comes into the target, it is ready for the analysis, right? How can you analyze if suppose uh, uh, here you have only 15 rows, but in real time you will not be having just 15 rows, you will be having millions of records, millions of records. So by looking at those millions of records, you cannot just say that you 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 will not be able to analyze the data. Even the data is ready for the analysis, just by looking at that you will not be able to take some decisions. You will not be in a position to uh, take some wise mindful decisions. Okay, for that purpose what we have, the major part here is reporting. After the extraction, transformation and load ETL, the essence of business intelligence is reporting. Okay, reporting, as you have seen, I most of you will watch, um, uh, sports. Okay, in sports, if you watch cricket, uh, in most of the sites you will be in right side, they will also displays pie chart, bar chart. Okay, those kind of things comes into reporting. So I'll also give you a good example from source to destination, sorry, source to target, and for reporting. I'll give you a good example in my next video. So you will be able to understand in the example, also in the example wise. So this is a business intelligence, just example. This is business intelligence, and this target can be anything. The source can be anything. Source can be like, yes, source can be anything. Excel, it can be Excel, it can be, text file, it can be a SQL server, Oracle, anything, SAP, ECC, etc. Any type of source can be there. Okay, and when you come to target target can also be anything, same like here. Okay, but for most of the time in SAP, most of the time source will be a, if at all source is SAP ECC, we have a data warehousing tool in SAP called DW tools in SAP called as SAP BW. Here where you load the data and do the data warehousing. Okay, where you do modeling, data warehousing here. So and this is the target, and when reporting, reporting, there are many tools like Power BI, SAP BO, Informat, sorry, and Tableau, uh, SAP, sorry, SSC, actually it is SAP Analytics Cloud, ClickView, ClickSense actually, but most of the people will be knowing ClickView, etc. There are many tools in the market. If you go and search, there are members more, these are the popular ones. So now I will just complete this video. So business intelligence is something which will route the data from source to target, and top of that we'll be creating reporting. So guys, if you like this video or you have any doubt, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. And if you have any doubts, you know, you can comment. Okay, I'll be ready for your questions. I'll reply. And if you need some more kind of more information, then please let me know. I'll be adding in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.